created by this guy, Alex Larson, who's kind of a big deal in the flexibility world. Not only does he have this science background, but he's helped millions of people with their flexibility and recovery.
Wow.
So that's a pretty solid track record.
Yeah, credentials definitely check out there. But what's interesting to me is this focus on a science-backed approach, which is crucial for anything health related. It's one thing to have some charismatic instructor, but do the claims actually hold up?
Yeah, that's the question, right?
Yeah.
So what are they claiming? They say this program can help you tackle both acute and chronic knee pain, help you avoid knee replacement surgery, improve lubrication in the joint, slow down the progression of arthritis, and boost your knee strength for just about any activity you can think of.
Okay, so they're aiming to address a wide range of needs there. If any of those issues sound familiar to you, this program might be just what you've been searching for. And again, that link to the official webpage is down the description below. Now, instead of just glossing over those claims, let's break them down and see if the science backs them up. What exactly are these 10-minute flows they're talking about, and how do they work out?
Yeah, that's where it gets really interesting. They're not talking about complicated gym routines or anything like that. This program is built around what they call 10-minute flows, which are essentially short, targeted exercise routines that are designed to address different aspects of knee health. It's all laid out in a 6-week course.
Yeah.
With easy-to-follow instructions. You get detailed ebooks, videos, even ongoing support.
Yeah.
So you're not just left to figure it out on your own.
I'm seeing a theme of accessibility here, which is great, especially for folks dealing with pain or limited mobility. No need for fancy equipment, workout buddies, even getting down on the floor. You can do these flows pretty much anywhere, but accessibility doesn't equal effectiveness. We need to understand the mechanics here. How can these simple movements possibly achieve all those benefits?
Yeah, so they include a ton of information about the specific exercises, the science behind them, and how they target different aspects of knee health. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of that a little bit later. But for now, let's talk about something that always catches my eye. Testimonials. And they've got some pretty compelling ones. For example, there's this woman, Gabby. She's 69 years old. She started seeing improvement in just 1 week.
Wow, in 1 week.
And then there's this guy, Boris, a 78-year-old, who regained strength and flexibility after knee replacement surgery.
Those are impressive, especially since they highlight different age groups and situations. Individual results may vary, but these stories definitely pique our curiosity.
For sure, and it's not just older folks. There's Leah, a 47-year-old runner who said she completely eliminated knee pain during her jogs. Of course, we always take testimonials with a grain of salt, but the sheer volume and diversity of the positive feedback here, it's definitely worth noting. And you can see some of those testimonials for yourself on their official webpage. The link is down in the description.
It's encouraging, especially when you consider they also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. That shows they're pretty confident in the program's effectiveness. And right now, they're running a discount that makes it incredibly affordable. So risk is low, potential reward is high. That's usually a good formula.
Absolutely. And when I was doing some digging online, I came across a bunch of positive comments about the Science of Knee Renewal on social media. It seems like people are really happy with the results they're getting.
Yeah.
But let's not get swept away by the hype.
Right. User reviews are great, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. What matters is the substance, the methodology, the exercises, the science behind it all. That's what will determine if this program truly delivers on its promises.
Okay, so let's unpack that a little bit. We've established the Science of Knee Renewal is all about these 10-minute flows.
Yeah.
But what exactly are they? What kind of exercises are we talking about?
That's what we need to dissect. The program claims these flows are carefully designed to target the muscles, tendons, and ligaments surrounding the knee joint. It's not just about strengthening the knee itself, it's about improving the entire support system.
Interesting. So it's a more holistic approach than just focusing on the knee in isolation?
Precisely. They argue that by addressing the entire knee structure, you can achieve long-term relief and prevent future issues. But how exactly do these flows achieve that? What's the scientific basis for their claims?
Well, according to the program materials, they draw on the latest exercise principles, combining elements of flexibility training, strength building, and mobility work.
Okay, so it's a multifaceted approach, which makes sense, but we need to go deeper. What specific exercises are involved? And how do those exercises translate into those impressive results people are reporting?
So one of the exercises they highlight is the knee-hugging hamstring stretch. They say it's incredibly effective for improving flexibility in the hamstrings and relieving tension in the back of the knee.
Okay, so we're starting with something relatively gentle and accessible, which is good, but why is hamstring flexibility so important for knee health?
They explain that tight hamstrings can actually pull on the pelvis, which can affect knee alignment and lead to pain and discomfort.
That makes sense. It highlights the interconnectedness of the body, how seemingly unrelated areas can actually have a significant impact on each other. So by addressing hamstring tightness, you're essentially improving the overall biomechanics of the lower body, which can benefit the knee.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And they go on to explain that another key exercise in these flows is the lateral lunge, which targets the inner and outer thigh muscles. These muscles play a crucial role in stabilizing the knee joint.
Lateral lunges. Those are great for hitting those often neglected muscles that we don't always think about.
Yeah.
But they are essential for preventing the knee from collapsing inward or outward, which can lead to all sorts of problems.
Right. And then there's the calf raise with toe extension. This one strengthens the calf muscles and improves ankle flexibility, which is also crucial for proper knee alignment and function.
It all comes back to that interconnectedness we were talking about. Tight calves can alter your gait and put extra stress on the knee.
Exactly. And they also emphasize the importance of strengthening the glutes through exercises like the glute bridge.
Strong glutes are crucial. They help stabilize the hips, which in turn takes pressure off the knees. I'm starting to see how these seemingly simple exercises, when combined strategically, can actually have a significant impact on overall knee health.
Right, and they emphasize that these exercises can be adapted to different fitness levels. So
Yeah.
whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can find variations that challenge you without putting undue stress on your knees.
That's key for accessibility and making the program work for a wide range of people. But let's not forget the big picture here. We're talking about knee pain, which can be incredibly debilitating. What kind of relief can people realistically expect from these 10-minute flows?
Well, they claim that most people experience significant improvements in their knee health within that 6-week time frame. People report reduced pain, increased flexibility, improved strength, and enhanced mobility. They're able to do things they couldn't do before, whether it's walking upstairs without discomfort, playing with their grandkids, or getting back to their favorite sport.
Okay, so they're painting a picture of restored function and improved quality of life. And while individual results will always vary, it is encouraging to hear that people are experiencing tangible benefits.
Absolutely. And if you're curious to see if the science of knee renewal could help you achieve similar results, be sure to check out the link in the description below to visit their official website.